Hey guys, my name is Masud. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a few tips on how to stay educated about your investment patch as a remote investor. So personally, I believe as a remote investor, you want to have as much information about your local area, your investment area as possible. And the reason I say that is because you could probably make a more informed investment if you knew what was actually going on. So the first tip that I actually have for becoming a more educated investor is to like local community Facebook pages which are in your investment patch. And I'll give you an example. Personally, I have one property which I have recently refurbished and it's been let out now. And I'm a part of the Old Swan community Facebook group. Old Swan is the location where the house is located, and in that group I have every day local residents just putting up their posts, and that gives me an opportunity to see what's going on in the area, and if any residents are complaining about a particular thing in regards to property, or whether it's people making noise on that street, or whether it's people hoodlums making trouble in that particular little bit of Old Swan. That makes me more informed about what's going on, and I can therefore adapt my product, my property, to fit that particular resident's needs and the overall community, therefore making my overall decision making a lot more efficient, and my investment is going to be a lot better than if I didn't have that information beforehand. The next tip that I'd like to give is actually going to investor networking events in that particular city or location where your investments are. Now, the benefit of this is you'll get a chance to grow your network, and as you've probably heard in property, your network is your net worth. So the more people you know, the more opportunity that will probably be available to you. You might come across an investor who had invested in your particular area and they have more knowledge about it than you. They could be able to refer you a very reliable letting agent. They might know, or they might come across an investment which might not be right for them, but they can certainly pass it down to you for a fee, or you guys can work together and share skills, collaboration really. So going to these kind of events are particularly beneficial, as I say, because it also gives you an opportunity to present yourself to more people and tell people about what you do. And the last one is actually just liking the cities or towns local newspaper or publishing page on social media. And the reason I say that is because, again, it will keep you up to date with any sort of developments that are going to be upcoming in that particular location, and this allows you to plan ahead and just generally make better decisions about your investments and see how you can adapt. That was all I had to say, guys. If you had any other tips that you feel that could probably benefit a remote investor, please feel free to share them down in the comments below. Other than that, guys, make sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe.